Introducing the biggest event of the season. 3 lucky contestants will get to compete to be crowned the Master Scotch Cook. Our judges will set 3 challenges to test their skills and find out how well they know their Scotch red meat. If these contestants can't handle the heat, they'd better get out the kitchen.
Hello and welcome to the Make It Scotch Cook-Off. We are so excited to see what our contestants bring to the table this year and who will be crowned Master Scotch Cook.
Throughout the week, we will test your cooking skills with a range of challenges, allowing you to incorporate high-quality, vitamin-rich Scotch beef, Scotch lamb and specially selected pork into some delicious dishes.
Yes, each challenge will be tricky, but the showstopper at the final round is a chance for you to really impress us because you're going to have to recreate my recipe using my favourite ingredient.
Ooh, what's that?
Specially selected pork. This Scotch red meat is so versatile, budget-friendly and tasty. I actually don't understand why more people don't use it. And the showstopper round will be...
Whoa, no spoilers.
Wallace, you already know about this. I sent you the email with the details.
Does it look like I read emails?
Okay, moving on. Only the person who is consistent, skilled and creative throughout all 3 challenges has a chance to win the title. We are so excited to see what you come up with.
And most importantly, I can't wait to see who will win one of those famous rare and beautiful Scotch shakes.
Contestants, it's time to enter the tent. We will meet you inside.
I'm John, friends call me Johnny, but you can call me King of the Grill. I'm always on barbecue duty during the summer, and you might even spot me grilling like a villain during the winter. No way am I going to let the weather stop me. No rain, no gain, am I right? My speciality is Scotch beef, but don't mistake me, because I'm a pro chef and I can't wait to show off my skills to the judges. See you in there. Oh, no.
Hi, my name is Terry with an I, and I am the hostess with the mostest. I love cooking for friends, having them over for dinner parties and game nights, and I cook a mean Sunday roast. I'm used to cooking for people with all kinds of dietary requirements, so you can rest assured that I can handle these judges. Wish me luck.
See this? This is the face of a champion. I'm Veronica, and honestly, I'm here to win. There's a reason it's not called Make It Scotch Friend Off. Cooking is like a sport to me. Basically, I'm Andy Murray, and the kitchen is like my tennis court, which kind of makes the tennis balls my meatballs. Whatever, you get the picture. All I can say about the other contestants is that they better stay out my way, because I'm ready to bring the heat.
Right, that's all the contestants now in the tent. They seem like a pretty confident bunch, but the first challenge will really throw them out the frying pan and into the fire.
And just for legal reasons, I would like to assure our audience that at no point will we leave an open flame unattended in the tent.
Thank you, Wallace. Now, let's get cooking.
Your first challenge is to create your own signature dish using Scotch beef, Scotch lamb or specially selected pork.
This is a chance to whip up a dish that you love and you have had lots of practice cooking. Make sure to impress us because this is the easiest challenge you are going to get.
Your time starts now. What have we got cooking here, Johnny?
So I'm making my famous steak, and I'm using a beautiful cut of this Scotch beef sirloin.
Fantastic. Do you know, fun fact about sirloin, do you know where it got its name? Well, I'll tell you a little story. Back in the day, a cow saved the life of a member of the royal family. And it got knighted as a reward. Get it? Sirloin.
Aye.
So what's going on over here then?
These are my specially selected pork pizzas. They're always a big hit at my dinner parties. So I'm just gonna salt the meat so it can really hold in that moisture.
Perfect, just make sure you don't go overboard. We don't want any salty bottoms in this kitchen.
Oh, lovely. How are you cooking your steak? Medium rare? Well done?
Oh, cheers mate. Oh no, the hob's turned off. My steak's not going to be ready in time.
I think I saw Veronica over at your station.
Oh, Oh, but you're not finished. I thought it smelled burning and I didn't want your steak to get ruined.
Just 5 more minutes, folks. You should be adding the final touches now.
We have a wide range of recipes on show here in round 1, with the contestants using Scotch Beef, Scotch Lamb and specially selected pork to impress the judges. But have they chosen the right Scotch red meat to complement each dish? And will Veronica's steak sabotage affect the results?
Thank you everyone for your efforts. I'm loving the range of dishes that we have here. Veronica, your lamb dish was creative, but it lacked a little in the seasoning.
Terry, I can see why your guests love your pork pizzas. It was so saucy, I needed 10 napkins to clean myself up.
But Johnny, your steak was cooked to perfection, and I especially loved that you served it on the rare side, just how Wallace likes it. So, our star cook for this challenge is... Johnny!
No way.
No, I won! Yes! Get in there!
Whoa, I did not expect to win that. Looks like Veronica did me a favour there. But I'm not going to sit relaxing anytime soon. Like the judges said, this was the easiest challenge. But now I know I'm more than a summer griller. I'm a Scotch cook.